Well, greetings everyone. Thank you so much for jumping back once again into another video of the series Technical Analysis. In this video series, we analyze different coins and we give you the potential entries and good coins as well. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel and you join our community. The link is in the description below. So I was just going through the internet and I saw this article. It says these indicators show that the Terra Luna 2.0 price will quadruple. Well, you can see right in front of me. Let's just see what they mean by that. I mean, this is fascinating. If this is just for attention grabbing, that's fascinating, definitely. But if there is something that we can, let's say, we can suck out of this article, that might be good for us. So a recovery rally could propel Luna to a range high at $10.2. A chance of further ascent. A daily candlestick closed below the range 3 point without recovery invalidate. Okay, it does not close below 3.5. Well, I mean, that's bad because it already had that thing, It already went to 1.9. I mean, that was a place that you should be buying. But let's just read this article. So Luna 2.0 ready for reversal. Luna 2.0 price has finally swept the lower limit of the 3.0 and 10.20 range formed on May 8th. And after a brief move about range high in May 30, Luna was expected to take a U-turn. I don't know why was they expecting you to take a U-turn. Maybe that was due to this, they believe this fibs. Oh, okay. So they saw something like a divergence. I mean, a hidden bullish divergence. This thing you see on the RSI with the price action. We call it the hidden bullish divergence. And as well, you can see on this volume. I mean, this is volume oscillator. I mean, it looks something like that. Okay. So they have the YouTube level. Okay, let's jump to the charts. I mean, let's take a look what we believe in this. So right now I have done analysis multiple times on Luna, and I told you that these were the support levels. If they are broken, these will be the next support levels, and you can see that this was broken and Luna exactly jumped to that point, and that was, I would say, the next support because it derived from somewhere this place. So I was expecting that it will do some consolidation on this point as well, but this one seems to be a pretty solid level for Luna. However, Luna failed to, let's say, hold that level. Okay, let's say if that was the retracement. Well, I think we can't place the fibs because there has not been a good rally out there. We cannot use them here right now. So let's try to find out the structures. So right now I see something like let's say, let's join these trend lines. Let's see if we can get anything. Yes, we do actually. Okay, we do get this trend line. So how about we do just like this one? Okay, so for Luna, it has formed the resistance trend line, which is acting as a resistance on 1 hour time frame. So it would be simple that if you just break out of this, Now if you just break out of this, what would be your target? It's definitely 5.08 would be your target at this point. Let's check on the RSI. So on the RSI we see this formation of double bottom. Meanwhile the price is continuously moving down. That shows some positivity in this case, which is good for, I would say, some time. Okay, now there's not much significant going on. However, we can see this. Let's look at the EMAs where they are. We cannot have the EMAs 200, especially 200, because we don't have so much data available. Like we have only a few candles. Let's try that on 1 hour time frame. Maybe we'll find it. Maybe or maybe not. Oh yes, we got it. It's just a freshly formed 200 moving average. We got 200 candles before that point. So as I was telling you that if Luna was to show any kind of rally and was supposed to move up a little bit, this would be the immediate place that would come in handy for Luna. Like it would be the place that would stop its rally and would act as a resistance, which has acted as a support before that as well, and will be acting as resistance now. Now if we just change the inputs to the 55. Yes, now that's something better. And you can see that along with trend line, you see the 55 moving average. It always comes handy with the trend lines. Most of the analysts, sometimes they want to use this 55 moving average as a trend line as well, because it just acts like a trend line. It acts as a resistance, and you dip below that, it will act as a support as well. So for Luna, I'm not expecting much. I would say that Luna is just consolidating within this range. Like it can go down and oscillate back to the upside. However, there is no special sign would say that if it's closing above. But if it does close above this line, this level, you can try to take an entry and target for this area. So that would be for it for the Luna. So if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.